Oh, it didn't get you killed.
The hammer grip on this pistol has a longer range.
Really? Oh. Interesting.
Prizefighter destroys SentryGun faster than bullets.
I'll be the judge. I think it actually works. I really think it does. And I guess I was right.
A tank can destroy a stealth chopper in VR.
There's the stealth chopper. Can the tank destroy it though?